when this didn't have her fingers as well. And unfortunately, the 10th episode is very interesting. It's back to the original Donkey Kong, like with last episode of Generic Names. The first of many characters just named Bird. So we today we'll get the bird from Donkey Kong. It's very helpful because it's also Mario vs. Donkey Kong. Bird and many other characters just named Bird. Bird. This bear in the chain scene please. Variants of the nitpickers, the second bear. After the right? Yeah, here's the fireball. Just enough 5 episodes ago, episode 5. It's all episode 15 or so. Okay, right? I was on the screen, so and then continue the fight in the ocean. The fight one of these, and they don't drop eggs. It can be different for it. That's that in the Game Boy version. I'm for this one from this, but I'm pretty sure that's not and they're like, and they do when you micro game if you want to go, which I believe is, well, I'm assuming because I'm gonna have to go to the country game more who I old scene because the bird is the last character to do a bear in the Game Boy version of one version of Junior. So next episode will be One to Green House.